haven't posted anything from this work trip at all, but I couldn't leave the hotel without showing you the things I always pack with me for organized travel. I don't think anyone's gonna be surprised by this one. These little S hooks, I bring them with me like everywhere. So I always wash my face with like a reusable cloth. I like to hang it up to dry, and then I always put like this like headband. So I like that too to hang up, and there's usually not enough hooks in place to hang stuff here. So I always use that on the towel bar. In the shower for you, again with the hooks, same thing. I should have probably put two here, but I didn't. And these are just so I can hang my little washcloth and I can hang my shower poof. Otherwise, there's nowhere else for it to go in here. These hooks are really great when you're traveling with kids and family too. I've showed this before, but like if you're somewhere where everyone's swimming, you can use these to hang up everyone's bathing suits on the shower rod, on any of the towel bars, so everything can dry properly. Next up, we have my favorite little pop-up drawer organizer cubes from IKEA. They have a zipper on the bottom, so you can unzip them and they fold flat. And I just love that it'll keep everything organized on my countertops here. So I have all of my like daily stuff in them, and I can just find everything super easily. I also always travel with a toothbrush holder, one that holds the whole thing, because I don't like it touching other stuff. And so when they come in here to clean the bathroom, I don't like my toothbrush being exposed to like potential fleshy toilet germs. So yeah, I always keep it covered. Next up are my favorite pouches. I use these little kind of zipper mesh pouches here to organize and pack all of my like toiletries and all my other stuff, and they're really great. The zippers are super sturdy on them. They won't, like, if anything leaks inside, it won't go all over your bag, and they're kind of clear so you can see what's inside, but not super clear, so it gets that like gross, filmy, dirty look to it as soon as you put like any product inside. Anyway, so I always just have these with me, and then you can just like stack them on a shelf, or even you can put them on your counter and keep everything together and organized that way. I already started packing up, but so you can see that I have like my packing cubes, which keep everything organized inside my suitcase. But I use the packing cubes inside my drawers too to give like division to the space so I can find everything really easily. And I always bring a laundry bag with me. This one's just like a mesh laundry bag. That way I can keep my dirty clothes separated from my clean stuff. So usually bring a wet bag for anything that gets wet, like bathing suits and whatever. And if you remember from the shower, I have my shower poof and my washcloth, and they're wet from my shower this morning. And I forgot my wet bag, so it's gonna have to go into like a plastic bag, or I guess in with the rest of my dirty laundry, but I don't like that, so bring a wet bag. And then the last thing I always bring with me is kind of like my what if emergency bag situation. So I have all like I have wipes here, like disinfecting wipes here, I have stain wipes here, I have hand sanitizer wipes, I have wrinkle release spray, I have a little, what is this? Lint roller. I have a lint roller. I always keep some extra plastic bags with me. I also have some dish soap to wash out like my water bottle, which I always bring with me when I travel, my water bottle. I have a little dishcloth, again, to clean things. I have a straw brush, more baggies, some Band-Aids, and a little mini nail file. Okay, I think that's it, yeah. So my emergency bag, oops. Probably should have unpacked the tripod before I filmed this, but let me know in the comments what else you always bring with you for organized travel.